So in this video I'm going to run through how to trade more efficiently. I think a lot of us sit there as day traders and you just get stuck in front of screens, etc. Time disappears and you don't get anything more for it. So we'll look at that in this video. So the biggest waste of time, as I said, is screen watching, just sitting there waiting for a trade to set up. There's so many other efficient things you can be doing. Sitting watching charts never actually earned you any more money. Sitting watching a chart just when you're ready to take a trade, cool, that's okay. Watching trades you've taken is another thing. It's the worst possible thing you can do for your trading account. How many times have you closed out of a position too early because you're sitting there watching a trade? Does it earn you any more money? No, it just gives you the heebie-jeebies. Particularly if you're a sensitive trader, best thing to do is walk away and let the orders fulfill the trade for you. So what should we do then, Kim? Well, of course the alternatives is to look at using alerts and of course orders. So let's just go through how you might do this and what you might be looking for then. Firstly, you're going to have the initial review of the markets. So you're going to find the short list of possible trades. As it doesn't matter if you're day trading this or swing trading it or position trading it, you just need those that initial review of the markets to give you an idea of things you like the look of. Then you start filtering it down a little bit and set alerts, because obviously you're liking the look of this particular market. Set an alert so if you're still looking at other markets, you don't miss the one you really want to be in. It'll awaken you to this. Otherwise it can be a bit myopic. You get to look at one chart and one market, and it doesn't matter how many screens you're so focused on that screen, that market, that you miss the other opportunities. So set yourself alerts as you go through each review. Maybe set an alert on each one that, okay, I would be interested to start looking more in depth at this point. So set yourself some alerts. Then when you've done that, you've got your short list. Consider setting orders. Now sometimes you may want to wait for something to happen before you set the orders. Fine, use the alerts. Once you're happy enough with the order, set the order. Now you can go in and cancel an order. I actually have used different brokers. One of the brokers is great because it allows you to cancel the order intraday, so you can just cancel at any point after an hour or something like that. But if you can't, doesn't matter. You only need to go and check in the next X amount of minutes. Set yourself an alarm and go back and check it. So and then decide on whether or not you're going to take that order or cancel the order. Of course, we have so much great current technology allowing us to get alerts to our phones, emails, and mine all come through at one time. I got an iPad, an iPhone, and an iWatch, and at the same time I get these little buzzes kicking in, so it allows me to know exactly when there's something setting up. So that's the alternative. It's efficient. You can then walk away from the screens. So what I suggest is then you would maintain the alerts and orders. So preview the market on set periods. Now if you're working, I mean it is as and when you can do it, but you just need to go back, review on a set period. If you're sitting there doing other jobs, that's fine. You just look up and look, but just review the markets on a set period. Remove alerts that no longer are likely to get triggered, and the same, really, delete any orders that no longer are likely to get triggered. So if you were waiting for a retrace to a pivot, for example, and it didn't set up, it just went without you, okay, just remove all the alerts. You don't want to get hundreds of alerts of things that are no longer useful. So there you have it. You can simply put the alerts on, the orders on, and make more of your time. Become a more efficient trader. The other thing is, I think it will probably, for a lot of people, increase their bottom line. There are times when you may want to adjust things. That's fine. Put the alerts on there, go in and adjust the order once it hits the alert level. But either way, it's going to be more efficient, and I think for a lot of people more profitable. Hope you find the video useful. Let me know how you get on.